Ayman said he sells perfume. Can you give me some tips to do ads more effectively? I just bought your Facebook ads for Shopee course. Very useful. Thank you so much, Ayman. Thank you so much for signing up. Facebook ads for Shopee course is one of my best-selling courses. You are actually joining close to about 400 plus, so-called Shopee sellers who enroll in this course and from all around the world. Thank you so much, Ayman. Now, if you are talking about perfume, okay, if there is any tips I can offer to you is, to be very frank, right? If you go through the whole program, then I will share with you that what makes a good Facebook ads campaign, there are three main pillars, okay? The most important thing is you have to be able to send the right message to the right people to get the right action. So three things are very important. The right message being the creative. So you need to actually be very careful on the creative, okay? So what I would actually suggest here is that you test one set of creative at a time, but follow the framework that we have in the Shopee course, that we have the two-step funnel framework. Usually the tier one, we must use a slideshow or, together with the instant experience, which I already explained to you why. And you want to start focusing on the product. You have to remember, when it comes to creative, it's all about what is in for me. What do you want me to do? You want to actually go on and tapping on the intent instead of, focusing too much on the selling part. So you got to have a balance over there. And when it comes to audience, Ayman, I would suggest that you go for, usually we have a framework. If you're not spending a lot of money, let's say if you're spending less than $1,000 on Facebook ads on a monthly basis, I would recommend that you don't go for more than 10% of the population. Let's say for Malaysia's case, right, we have about 27 million Facebook users. We don't want to go a lot bigger than 10%. So that's kind of like a threshold if you're not spending big, because if we go for too big an audience, the probability may not help you get the audience, the right people to take action. So yeah, and of course, the other part is your action. So we talk about traffic all the time when we are using the Shopee, when we are actually running ads for Shopee, but you got to be very careful. You want to start tracking the number of clicks that you're getting on the Facebook ad site, as well as when you're actually going over, how many clicks are you getting? So you need to actually have some synchronization, because it's not that straightforward. When it comes to Shopee, it's a bit different because it's a different ballgame over there. So yeah, we want to actually do a bit of tracking. But Ayman, all the best. Don't forget, you're inside this Facebook group already, or you are actually subscribed to my YouTube channel. Any questions, post back, okay? So that we can have meaningful conversation as we move along.